the cutie baby. Hi. Are you having fun? We love you. Have fun. Cake. This is the cake that we will give. But thank you sa hospital staff ni Baby David. Are the food. So ito mas affordable with the dessert. And a card pala sa doctors. 3 cards or 2 cards. Or baka lahat na lang, no? Kasi marami naman tayong cards na ano. Yan, but thank you gift for the hospital staff and doctors of Baby David. Affordable lang naman to, be. This is pancit. And then there's buttered garlic rice. And this is the combination of pork, chicken, adobo, inasal. So, yan siya, be. Done. Separate nung nagawa natin para sa kids, kumain na yung kids. Hadasa and Hannah! Hi! Hospital. Doon yung school ng kids sa right. Ito yung hospital sa left. Hatid na natin. Let's give them. Anna, what did you say? Help? Okay, Tagalog tayo. Puro. I keep my hair clean and neat and I can fix it myself. Okay, ready? Ang Tagalog niyan ay ano ba to? Ang hirap. Inaayos ko ang aking buhok. Malinis, inaayos ko at nililinis ang aking buhok at inaayos ko to. Ang hirap, ang haba. Ito na lang, wait, sandali lang. Tagalog, ganito yung practice, ang buhay ng Tagalog. Hadasa, ano ang palagi?
I don't know.
I said always. Okay, always. Say it.
Always.
Palagi.
Palagi.
Always
Always palagi.
Oh, sige.
Okay.
Saan si David?
Saan si David?
Saan siya?
Saan siya?
Oh, okay. Naintindihan niya.
Cilantro. And he grabbed my finger.
Hana, ano ang English ng...
Cilantro.
Ano ang English ng masarap? Ano ang English ng masarap?
Delicious.
Oh, yon. Ano pa yung ibang Tagalog na alam mo?
Masarap.
Ano pa?
I don't know. Beep, beep.
Mag-aaral ka pa lang. Okay lang yan. You will learn Tagalog. Kasi me, I was not speaking English before. It was like hearing them when I was elementary and high school.
Sad.
You're younger than me. I will learn it because when I learned English or listening to them, I was in elementary, 12 years old, 11 years old, and then high school, 15, 14, 16. So that means you have time because you're only 8 and then Hannah's only 7. David is a baby, so it will be easier
He
for
is
him.
age 3 months old.
It's much better if you learn Tagalog so that you are polyglot. You speak a little bit more. Actually, this one, Spanish to be, kasi walang time, sobrang busy. So busy, we wanna learn Spanish, but I really don't have time, be. Sobrang busy sa buhay. So, wala na lang akong marunong lang ng hola, hi, di ba? Keriko, parang masarap daw yun eh.
Rico.
Yeah, this one is what? Mi escudar, imisekidar, I take care of myself. Wait, try natin to ha.
Aqua. You put it in there.
Yun lang ang alam, pero hindi talaga. So, Tagalog na lang pa turo ko sa kanila. I always get enough sleep. Siyempre, duermo lo necesario. Ang hirap, no? Pero okay rin Tagalog, no? Kasi parang ang Tagalog mala Spanish din. So, ayan. Mag-aaral tayo ng Tagalog, okay? Yung dalawa parang nasasyak. Sabihin mo, opo.
Opa.
Opo.
Opa.
Okay, sige. Aral muna tayo. Ganito yung buhay ng aral, be.
David doesn't care if I move.
You ready?
Yep,
Okay. Take care, beautiful friends. We love you. Take care, beautiful friends. We love you. Ask you again, tell them the one that you told me before. Yung top, alam mo nakakatawa yung top 3, be. Okay, pancit, sopa, spaghetti, sinigang. What's your top 1 and top 4? So, top 4 first. What's your answer to me the last time? Put it in.
My answer last time was
The fourth one is, what's your fourth one?
what were the 4 choices?
Pancit, sopas, spaghetti, at saka sinigang.
So pancit was before.
Fourth daw yung pancit, and
And
then,
Spaghetti. I mean pancit, and then spaghetti, and then her number one is sinigang.
and it, it's four eh. Pancit, sopas, sinigang, spaghetti.
I'm gonna make slime.
So what's your fourth? You said pancit. Your third is
My third is spaghetti.
and then your second.
Sopas.
And then your first.
Sinigang.
Oh,
sinigang.
okay, sinigang. Any sinigang. So shrimp, chicken, pork, beef. As long as it's sinigang.
Yeah, with rice especially. I love sinigang.
Okay.
Super
How
taste.
about you, Hannah? Pancit, sopas, spaghetti, sinigang. What's your fourth pala? Fourth, third, second, first. First is the winner.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti is what?
First.
That's the first. What's second?
Sopas.
Sopas. What's the third?
Sinigang.
Sinigang. And then your fourth?
Egg.
Hindi. I said pancit.
No.
You want lumpia. She like, it's actually not egg roll, it's lumpia. Okay, say lumpia.
Lumpia.
Wow! They love Philippine food eh. Alam mo pag birthday nila, ang nire-request nila, pagkain natin sa Pinas. So, panalo. Well, mahilig talaga ako sa pagkain natin sa Pinas. Kaya hanggang maging sila, Tagalog na Tagalog eh. Gusto nila be. Pero nakakatikim naman sila ng mga pagkain ng ano, 'di ba? Pero ewan ko, gustong-gusto nila. Siguro kasi lagi ko niluluto, no, Beno? Ayan, aral mo na ng Tagalog. Naisip ko kasi ang hirap magturo ng ano be, ng Tagalog sa kanila. Pero, si Baby David tulog ko. Pero, naalala ko nung I remember, it's hard to teach them Tagalog, but I remember when I was elementary and high school, it was late that I learned English, and even yun, high school talaga siya tinuro sa amin eh. So, that means I still have time for them because Hadas is only 8 and Hannah is only 7 years old. Especially David, he's still baby, so I still have time. So, I just have to speak to them Tagalog all the time para hindi siya ganun kahirap be, 'di ba? So, hopefully matuto sila be. Tsaka I think I just really have to talk to them in Tagalog all the. But when we're taking videos, of course it's English be kasi I want a lot of people to be able to understand because sometimes it's hard for me to translate it, 'di ba? Parang ang hirap minsan sa editing. So might as well sometimes if I don't forget na to speak, yung parang kapag na-English ko siya, it's okay na. But even if Tagalog, I'll just put some translation if it's necessary. But yeah, that's what I do. Kapag sa videos, may English ng konti para mas madaling maintindihan. Kasi may mga friends ako na yung mga iba-ibang bansa sila. So, maybe they appreciate it more if I'll be speaking this way. Or easier for me so that I don't have to translate it. So, ayan, beautiful friends, I'll just teach them more. A little bit later, it's lunchtime. And then, yeah, muna tayo, house tasks. So, take care everyone, we love you. Take care everyone, we love you. Take care everyone, we love you. Hi baby, take care everyone, we love you. Are you watching? He's watching. He's watching. I'll show you the beha. Baby David is watching. They're watching. I'll show you outside the weather. I am cooking today noodles, parang chicken ramen. So may natira ako. Every time that I will cook chicken, I will cut maybe 2-inch or 3-inch so that just in case I need. Oh, babe, look at that. Let's get this one. Actually, I thought Hadassah got, the medium tomato. When I was taking a video, I didn't know that she got the small one. This is called their grape something tomato. So, I was shocked when it grew that it's this size because I was expecting the medium one. This is the potato. Meron pa tayong I didn't check this yet. Meron siya. Ay, hindi. I thought this is the potato, ano. I didn't check it yet if it's a lot. Probably we will be moving in Texas, be. I'm not sure of the schedule. So I thought there will be 3 years here, but maybe not yet. Ay, maybe not. Hindi ko alam sa schedule nila talaga. So it's okay with me either way. Kahit ano. Anything is okay with me. Kasi akala ko, 'di ba, 3 years dito, so 4.5 years, around 5 years dito. So kung hindi, 3 year after ng 2 years dito, 3 years sa Texas, siguro tignan lang natin. But if it's 3 more years here, okay din. Yan, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung weather, ang ganda talaga niya. Let's enjoy while it's still summer and spring. Kasi pag winter, it's so cold. Sa Texas, wala raw ano be. Walang winter sa Texas. Ano lang, same as Florida. It's just warm there. A little bit cold when it's springtime or winter, but not really. Walang snow. There's no snow. So let's enjoy. Have a great day, beautiful friends. Take care all the time. Let's always pray and blessings for all of us.
Let's eat
What's your food today?
ramen.
Ayan. Nilagyan ko ng ano, yung parang chopped beef. Kasi nga, I'm separating beef sometimes. Small lang. Mga 3-inch, ganun, tsaka chicken. So, I just combined it. Para mas malasa. But it's just yung, alam mo na, pagka nagluluto ako, whenever I cook, I separate. So that, just in case I will make something like this in a rush to na recipe, be. Yan, let's eat. Ito siya, be. Wala akong carrots, kaya ganyan na. Lunch ng kids to be. Kasi ano, summer vacation nila. Kain tayo, let's eat. It's lunchtime, it's just the 3 of us. Ay, hindi pala. It's a baby David. The 3 of us and baby David. Because it's their, diba, summer vacation. As I said, she will sing Beautiful Friends. Let's start. Love in your eyes. Love
in your eyes, sitting silent by my side, going on, holding hands, walking through the night. Hold me up, hold me tight, lift me up to touch the sky.
Hey, smile.
To love without help me open my eyes. I can fly, I can fly to give the best of mine till the end of the time. Believe me, I can fly. I'm singing in the sky. Show you the best of mine, the heaven in the sky.
Thank you for the joy.
Thank you for the joy. Thank you for the love you give to me. I'm glowing, glowing inside with your love.
Shining through. Thank you for everything you do. I'm glowing inside because of you.
Little baby, you said I'm maybe you'll be thinking of me and try to love me, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you. Telling all the flowers, I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, they're very cool, but pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you.
Hi, Hannah. She's shy. That's her favorite song, be. Yung beat yata gusto ni Hadasa. Hi. Are you singing, Hannah? Come on, sing. She's shy. We love you, beautiful friends. We love you. One more. Sing a song. Hi. Hi. Come on, David, try it.
Say something.
Say hi. Nabubwisin na si David sa kakulitan namin tatlo.
something.
Hi. Sweet rice, we will make biko. Let's make biko. I'm craving for biko, be. Yan, P. Kain tayo, Biko. Let's eat, Biko. I will give sis Caroline, si sister natin. Kasi pag Friday, nagsiswimming din sila ng kids niya. I can take video of the swimming area kasi nga privacy ng mga kids. Madami na yung kids dun, be. Summer kasi. Biko, let's eat. Beautiful friends. Take care every day. We love you.
Beautiful friends, let's try this. Yummy.
Are you trying?
Mm.
You like it?
Yummy.
Are you ready na for swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah, we love you, beautiful friends. Let's eat. Let's eat. What's this, Hannah?
Mermaid.
Let's eat, Biko. Wow, nakakatuwa, be. If you really learn how to make it, you will not be so sad or you will not miss it so much. Usually, it's just made by our mother, right? Nanay natin, lola natin, tita natin, diba? Tatay natin, diba? Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa malapit na tayo mag 100 na tayo na yung nagagawa. Hindi, joke lang. We're the ones who's making this and trying to make. So, thank you for every one of them. And thank you for online tutorials. So, let's eat. We're craving for this. Kain tayo, be. We love you.
Try this. I can eat it all day.
You can eat it all day, sabi niya kanina sa akin sa kusina. I can eat it all day. It's yummy. Be, yung Biko namin, I added chocolate powder since mahilig kami sa chocolate flavor. So, ayan na siya. Let's eat! Akin, nilagyan ko ng chocolate yung aking Biko. Yum!